Hi traders, this is Roberto. This is the tutorial for the Pro Traders Workshop. Today's lesson is on the advisory indicator and confirming that with other technical uh, indicators. Bollinger Band is an indicator I like using to find support resistance levels and entries. When I add the advisory indicator to the Bollinger Band, it gives me more of a confirmation. The advisory indicator pretty much does all the work for you. It will plot the buy and sell signals at the lower and upper Bollinger Bands, and the only thing you need to do is make sure stochastics is overbought, oversold, and you need to understand your candlestick patterns. So in this trade setup, the end of the New York session on Friday, March 10th, 2017, the advisory indicator gave us a nice get ready signal to sell. It's up, price is up at the upper Bollinger Band, and stochastics is overbought. So this is pretty an easy trade to take, knowing that at the end of the day, market is hitting a strong resistance. The advisory indicator is giving us a sell signal. So I just use the Bollinger Band to confirm with the advisory indicator, or vice versa, using the advisory indicator to confirm what the Bollinger Bands are telling me. Okay, let's look at another couple of other pairs. Swiss yen, same thing. Just to note, I had to manually plot these advisory indicator lines because this is not an MT4 platform, and I cannot load the advisory indicator on a web-based platform. Okay, so just so you know why these lines look different than on your screen. So again, this is a get ready signal up on the Swiss yen. It gives us a nice bearish engulfing candle. There's the buy sell signal 114.08 on Swiss yen, and price is at the upper Bollinger Band. So advisory indicator and Bollinger Band essentially telling us the same thing, that price most likely is going to sell reverse at this level, and it did, and it went all the way down to the lower Bollinger Band. This chart we're looking at the USD yen, and okay, so the first thing I look for is overbought stochastics indicator. And number two, I'm looking for the advisory indicator to give me a sell alert. Right there, we've got a get ready sell alert, and the entry was 115.39. And okay, so let's add the Bollinger Band and see where it is. So price not quite up to the upper Bollinger Band, but it's close enough because it gave us a bearish engulfing candle at this level of resistance, and the price sold off. This is the Euro New Zealand chart, and again, you need to qualify the trade. Make sure stochastics is overbought. 1 second, please. Stochastics is overbought on this chart, and we have advisory indicator is giving us a sell signal, and we have a bearish engulfing candle confirming this level of resistance. Let's add the Bollinger Band, and notice that price is at the upper Bollinger Band. So the combination of Bollinger Band, bearish engulfing candle, advisory indicator giving us a sell signal, and stochastics overbought, these are very, very high probability trade setups. Okay, so if you're not sure if you should take a trade based on the advisory indicator, then you can just add a Bollinger Band to make sure that it's up at the upper Bollinger Band, stochastics is overbought, and you have a candlestick pattern. Those are the three things that are important to qualify a trade. Okay. Here's another trade set up on Euro Canadian dollar. Again, the advisory indicator is giving us a sell signal. We scroll down to stochastics to make sure it's overbought, and here it is. It's up above 80. And then let me just add the Bollinger Band and see if it's at the area of the resistance. So the Bollinger Band is showing price action. Price is above that Bollinger Band, and this is an area where we start looking for selling opportunities. The advisory indicator is giving us a sell. We have a candlestick pattern, an inside bar as well. So we have several reasons why price most likely is going to reject these levels of resistance and retrace, and it did. So again, make sure you have 3 to 4 things to enter a trade. The first thing is advisory indicator giving us a sell, alert, stochastics is overbought, and price is at the upper Bollinger Band. Okay. There was another trade signal down at the bottom here, 142.71, which was here. That was the get ready. Notice the advisory indicator is the get ready area. It's right there. So I'll just duplicate what I see on my advisory indicator on the other platform. So there's their get ready level, and then the entry is 142.81. So that's the buy level right here. And stochastics is not oversold, but the two lines are crossing to the upside. This is a retracement, rather a continuation pattern and a retracement. So the sell level, the buy level, and we that in blue. In fact, let me get this changed here. Just had to pause this tape so I can duplicate what I see on my MT4 platform. So price is hitting the lower Bollinger Band, and we have a advisory is giving us a get ready level, and then a buy level 10 pips above that, and it's all around the bottom of the Bollinger Band. There's a trade set up on euro dollar. Again, stochastics is overbought. And we have a sell signal on the advisory indicator, and it's located at the upper Bollinger Band. We have a candlestick pattern, a hammer, followed by price breaking below the hammer. So that's definitely a trade signal. So again, just making sure you have 3 or 4 reasons, and those are the ones that I'm pointing down to you. First, advisory indicator on the 1-hour chart giving us a sell signal. Price is above or around the upper Bollinger Band, and stochastics is overbought. That concludes this Pro Traders Workshop tutorial. Again, if you have any questions on these strategies, just email me. And have a good trading week and a good weekend. Thanks for watching.